next Miss Nahid Khan.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
Well, and I wanted to really listen to her anyway. Maybe she'll join us a little later. So
Yeah, she may.
we invite Miss Nahid Khan. She's a youth mentor, parent, and teen coach based at UAE. She's an energetic and fun-filled, fulfilled human being. She loves to make a difference in the lives of her fellow human beings. And an ex-army lieutenant military nurse, she was awarded the Army Commander Gold and Silver medals for her work. She's also the founder of Smart Natives International Schools, and she founded Smart Natives International Child Development Center also, based in UAE. A mentor with 28 years of administrative experience and has been serving 1,200 plus students and their parents with her trainings and expertise. So let's welcome, with open arms and a beaming smile, Miss Nahid Khan.
Okay. So thank you so much, and really a big privilege. I am absolutely fine, and it's like so much fun and so much learning which is happening together. You know, inspiring each other, and hearing the real, not the real time, but the real lifetime achievements everybody has gone through. Because the design is the same. All of us actually we are human beings, men,
Yeah.
women, we have the same design. So I really thank you so much, and I would really love to thank few people who are very special, and because of them I am here. One is Sahil Trivedi, Piyush Pandit, and Alka ji. You are doing a great job. I'm so inspired, and also I will thank Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook guy, because I can see so many of my Facebook friends here, and it is so inspiring to like be live with you and connect with you. So friends, I, you know, what I can share, you know, actually I'm here to learn from each one of you, and to be very honest, I look forward connecting with each one of you. And I know, because you have a role to play in my life, because this event for sure was not an accidental event for me. I believe that this was destined by God, and this has a purpose for me and purpose for you for sure. And together, it's really a very creative and a happy journey. When we'll be together, it will be more fun and more learning. So I want to thank some special men who are here, because of you are a part of this empowerment, the women empowerment. So see, I don't have everybody's name, but just when I was scrolling by and few people, you know, I just picked. So it is for all men here and in the globe. So Narendra Jain ji, I saw you, and Sunil Rathi ji, Mohammad Mukhtar, Kumaro, Mr. Kumaro, Professor Dr. Charles, and Dr. Jayaprakash Sharma, and whomever I have not named. So people who are here, I have named a few people, I have not named a few. But I want to thank each one of you that you are listening to me right now, because I am here, I am a creation, I am able to share because of your pristine gold listening. So really, thank you so much. So I have, you know, some share which is like, I think it is your life and my life being similar. So I am from an army background, and see, being from a Muslim community, and because I work with children, I would be also doing some stuff because I'm more interested to connect with the child in you. So I will do some acts which would be really kiddish, childish, but the intention of those acts is to really be with you and to remain in your life, and you guys searching me and me searching you and connecting after this event. And thank you, IIU, because this is possible only because of you. So my dear friends, one big thing, when you know, I see myself with my dark glasses, so I see a lot of point of views which came to me when I was born, from my parents, from my teachers, from the society. And with learning, training, with being with you people, I was able to actually have a new view each time, each day. And this is no joke, because I have what I can share with you is 4 careers. See, here the intention is not to share my success. It's of course a joy which I'm sharing, but the idea is that we all, are part of this success. So being from I was an army nurse. If you will see my background, so an army nurse who from Indian Army and getting Army Commander gold medal, silver medal, then starting a career after marriage. And I got married in Jaipur, and I just wrote, I'm from Jabalpur. The other lady, Dr. Rupita Chadda ji, spoke. So I'm from this native place. And you just created my childhood when you were speaking, because I'm from St. Joseph's Convent School, Jabalpur. And thereafter, the Indian Army journey. And then from Jaipur, this is a place in Rajasthan, India, wherein, the corporate leadership is in women is actually an opportunity for anyone. So I started my career as a very junior manager, ICICI Prudential, then MetLife, then HDFC. So this I'm just sharing because, see, from the medical background, because my husband is a doctor, so match fixing doesn't work in life. I want to confess here on the camera, and many people know this also, that I married my husband because I wanted to open a nursing home, because I'm a nurse and I was very enthusiastic and ambitious. But my husband was just the opposite. So I we fell apart on the professional grounds. So I started all over again. And this was being with HDFC Standard Life as the branch head. So this was an opportunity, learning finance, insurance. I didn't knew anything of it. Believe me, friends, I didn't knew anything of it. But then the teamwork and the people together created success stories for sure. And then I had my small children in 2008, 3 years old son who is now 17, and a 15-year-old daughter who was then 1 year old. And it was like no going times. Somebody, Pinky ji shared that there was no going time, in the job hours. I agree with you. So this made me an accidental entrepreneur in education. So I did a lot of research with Mother's Pride School and Shikshantar and so many schools to name from the Delhi belt of India, because I was inspired by few of the edupreneurs there. And I started Smart Natives in 2008. And then life again came with a surprise that UAE happened to me. And recently we were in Dubai for a year. Then now we are at Fujairah. So it's starting and building a community together. So really very true that life is A, B, C, D for me, for you, for everyone. It's a journey from birth to death. And C is the choices we make. And believe me, friends, these choices will be good and bad. But, the choices are made by us. So that makes, us empowered of choosing life as the way it is and the way it is not. Second thing is accepting in front of you, yes, I'm very ordinary. And really, I'm ordinary. I feel, I've kept a perfume here because I wanted to feel really good coming to this event, whether it was a virtual event. But I got present, so I kept it here to show it to you that really people in our life, there are few people who really I have learned in my trainings, because I'm an energy consciousness coach. When I teach parenting, I believe in miracles. I believe in invisible world and tapping in that invisible world through quantum consciousness. So like I heard somebody was a pranic healer here, so but fantastic. I have been in Osho ashram for 5 days, and still I'm looking for Tony Robbins also to join. So I selected a few people in my life on 3 areas, because I am, and you are also, you will agree, on a journey of being selfish to selfless. Like my selfish agendas in my life being, created in a manner that it spill over and I can give to others. So there are 3 areas wherein, people are associated with me, and I believe strongly in mentorship. So I have real good mentors, young. I am 45 and old, all small, medium, large, extra large sizes of mentors. So here, what I want to say is technology is one area. Believe me, friends, I didn't knew a head and tail. And now you will go to my websites, Ask Nahid Khan, you will see that 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 this was like a layman doing it with people. So anything is possible. Number two is financial empowerment. I heard Deepa Mathurji saying this, and very many of you. Believe me, I will quote a survey here. This is not Nahid Khan saying, but the most important of area in life is money. Second is relationship. Third is health. While it should be other round, it should be health first. So money is important, and I saw a breakdown during COVID. My school closed, kindergarten school, and I was like, what to do and what not to do. And I want to confess here on camera, because it is not just inspiring and motivating. I want you to really experience it, because I am requesting you. Share market. Earlier, I had some manager who was and a person doing it and a company doing it for me. But believe me, when I started using my fingers, because I came to a realization of the fact that money is my money. I will do it the best. And when I can learn technology, when I can do so much, I can try this also. Believe me, all my expenses, most of my expenses, I have invested in my self-development 2 lakhs to 3 lakh rupees in this COVID time, in some international trainings. I all got from the share market, being very, very, very lucky of it. And this is a game of intelligence and a lot of study. So what I have just wanted to mention few people like the who had really inspired in the same, the context. So I will have 3 things more before I end it. So a new view of me helps me in my life. And in my life, realizing that yes, it is an ECG. ECG is like a roller coaster. From the high we come down, and from the down we go up. Yes, life is like this. So E was my energy. I am like this. Energy is a problem. I have taken coaching from Startup Voices. I will name the professor is there in Symbiosis, and I was arranged a session for one whole month. The personal mentoring the person gave me, and it was free of cost. Thank you so much. It was on my energy. So I would like to share that energy conservation really helped me. Like whom I should connect, whom I should disconnect, when I should connect. So, and C is my communication. So here you already all are great speakers, and you all are into so much communication and development in that. Here I will talk about self-talk. Communication to my own self. Communication to my own self. Really, I will repeat. That is important, because no school has taught us, and parents, they don't know it. So how could our parents teach us this? So this is one thing that we need to really learn more and do it with ourselves. So ECG is energy, communication, and gratitude. Here I have something. Thank you, God, for everything. And believe me, this is not showing. This has a frequency. And I am, as I told you, into energy consciousness. I have created magic, miracle, and to believe me, and anybody can do it, and you must be doing it also. And that is through this untapped 95% of the area of our life which is not known to us. So we still, I invite each one of you that the limitless potential in you, and we being bonded as a team and coming together without the boundaries, that I'm in UAE and you are in some part of the world, and Jaipur, Jabalpur, the whole world, the divinity in us can really unite us for our personal goals, selfish to selfless, contributing to others. So thank you so much. Lastly, I would like to say that to team up, let's not shy away as individuals, and collaborate, team up, and looking forward to hear each one of you. And listen, my dear friends, I am making notes also. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you to you. I mean, that was wonderful. And those notes that you're making, well, I do them myself and look at my papers. So I think we're in the same plane. And wonderful thoughts you shared. I love the fact that you did it with a lot of theater. There was so much of theater expressions, you know, you were so expressive. Well, I mean, you are so many things which everyone was, but in addition to that, you were theatrical. Fantastic, brilliant sharing of ideas and thoughts and that energy and everything that you're saying. Take good care of yourself always, and always spread this kind of positivity everywhere that you go. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Wonderful.
Thank you.
And now, my lovely, yes, thank you.